I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often.
Hi to my vlog.
Due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste of Novocaine, baby. Novocaine, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, now what time is it?
It's 14:50. It's 14:50. Are we late?
It's 10 to 3. We missed our first flight.
10 minutes to go.
25. We boarded past. So Suga ngo 15:15 or 10 past.
What are you?
So,
oh yeah, 15:30.
Yeah.
Very good.
So we missed our first flight anyways. We missed our first flight. We are boarding at 3:30. I'm on my 5th mimosa. The 6th one is coming. Yeah, we're gonna board soon. Yeah, I'll update once we've boarded and on our flight and we don't miss it again. But yeah, we're boarding at 3:30. It's 10 to 3 now, so I'll update once we've boarded.
I feel love the way you move your body. I feel beauty in your eyes. I feel love the way you move your body. I feel you.
Will you lead me to paradise? Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby. And I'll take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you.
Hey guys, quick update. We're at the mall. Ibizan Mall.
Gateway.
Gateway Mall. We're gonna go have some breakfast and then we're gonna go shopping for a few things. And we're gonna head back home to go change. And then we are going to the beach.
Oh, yay! Hello! Come to my friend's YouTube channel. We are doing OOTD. I'm wearing this set from Shuret, if I'm not mistaken. My fit, Marcos, Gucci. What do you want?
Okay guys, this is my OOTD. My top is from Cotton On. My pants are from H&M. My slides are from Cotton On. Bag is Ted Baker. And where's my hair from? My hair's from Love Me.
Oh, child.
This angle is amazing. Oh yeah. That's one thing I take forever to decide.
falling off, baby. Maybe
we get it together? Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I really hope you can hear me because it's really loud. But we're at the beach now. I really think it's about to rain. The clouds are really dark and they're heavy, and the wind is going crazy. So yeah, we're not gonna stay too long. We're literally just here for content, for pictures, and then we're leaving. But yeah, let me give you guys an overview. My shades are from Cotton On. Everything is from Cotton On actually. Shades, bikini, and then pants are from Cotton On.
My body says my body says
So cold. Oh, I am Brunch. This is my camera thing. It's really cold, guys. I'm getting
I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit. Know that shit. Know what it is.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back from the beach. As you guys can see, I am still in my bikini. I want to take a quick shower and then change, and then I think I'll talk to you guys properly after I do that. But yeah, I look kind of cute. Okay, let me take a shower and then I will check in with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm done taking a shower now. I feel way better. Yo guys, Durban is so humid and stuffy, and like you literally do this to my skin and literally feel the salt in the wind and the air from the humidity. So I feel better now that I took a shower. Mumbe and I are maybe just gonna eat. We went out for breakfast earlier on today and we had like takeaways from our leftovers. takeaways from our leftovers. We had leftovers from our lunch, so I think we're just gonna have that and then maybe have a drink or so and lovely and just chill, guys. We don't really have any plans. I think we did the biggest thing that we wanted to do when we came here, which was go to the beach, and we did go to the beach, even though Mpume didn't really get to enjoy it because, you know, things happen. But yeah, we're just gonna chill out now. And yeah, I honestly can't wait to be back home, guys. Yo, I miss my man. You know yourself. Anyways, let me go that side and yeah.
Oh, you lead me to
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. What time is it? It's like 9:30 now. I'm so tired. I am so over the day. I am ready to go back. I've been in and out of sleep since like 7. And anyone who knows me knows that I don't sleep early. But I feel like it's just been a bender since Wednesday. It's just been going and really getting so yeah, I am really actually just trying to go to sleep now as early as it is. It's 9:30. I don't sleep at 9:30. I sleep at like 1 or 2 on the weekend, especially because of the job that I work. But I am tired, like computers are really crashing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know, like, I was watching my past vlogs earlier on. The one vlog that I did this year was 9 months ago, and I was like, oh hey guys, welcome back to my channel, first vlog of 2025, we're gonna be consistent. 9 months ago, that was the first video, and this is the second video, and it's 2 weeks away from December. Like, the year is up. And I was just watching it and I was just like, damn, like I really just be saying anything because I said I was gonna be consistent, and what happened? Like, yeah. But no, like in all fairness, oh guys, this year has rocked me. So much has happened, so much of life has changed. Yeah, it's just been a very long year, especially the past 6-7 months for me. Yeah, things just really changed from May of this year. Things really just plummeted downhill. But I mean, I made it out. I'm okay. Yeah, I really can't say too much. I feel like what I'm getting at like needs to be its own separate video, like a whole life update and wada. But maybe I think that'll be my next video. Yeah. But yeah guys, the point is that this year has been long. It's been eventful, very eventful. But yeah, we made it out on top, and I think that's all that matters. So in terms of YouTube, with my work schedule being cut out the way it is, I genuinely do have time and I am able to make it happen. So now I think it's just really up to me to stop procrastinating and to better manage my time, yes, for YouTube. But yeah guys, I don't want to be talking too much. I'm actually very tired. I hope this vlog doesn't come out to be too long, because yeah, I feel like you guys don't really like long vlogs. I don't know, you guys must tell me. Let me know if you prefer longer vlogs or shorter vlogs, or if you like it when the travel vlogs are long or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up here because, excuse me, I want to sleep. I wanna pack. Well, my bag is packed. Yeah. I wanna sleep and then, well, I'm gonna edit until I fall asleep. And then I'm gonna wake up at like 6 and be off to the airport because my flight is at 8. And then, yeah, then I'm off to work. If my flight is at 8, I'm gonna land at 10:15, 9:45. I think at 9:45. Then I'll have time to go home, change, and then go to work. So, yeah, guys. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, guys, I know I've been away for so long, but after you guys watch the sit down video that's yet to come, this is gonna be posted before it, obviously. But do you guys watch that and maybe understand? I'm not making excuses, but or maybe I am, whatever. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, maybe you guys will only take me seriously when I start taking you guys seriously. But please subscribe to my channel. Please repost my link. Please like this video. Comment whatever you liked. If you want to know where something is from, please do comment. I will answer you. And yeah, let's connect on my socials. This is my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for being here. I love you loads, guys, and alarms. And yeah, see you on the other side.